Oh, are you for real, dude? This is the most saturated thing ever. Yo, what's going on, guys? This is the Ecom boss, your favorite dropshipping YouTuber, and in today's video, I decided to order something off Fiverr. So I went to Fiverr, I found a guy, and he was claiming that he could have these awesome winning products. So I was asking him a little bit in chat, like, is this winning products? Is it winners? How much can you make with it? And the screenshot of the Fiverr post says like 50k a month on one of the screenshots. He claimed that these products were winners. I also ordered video ads. Now I have it. Winning products, 10 winning products. I got video ads for all of them. He should have some descriptions in place. He got a lot of good stuff. So let's see. Should you guys order a video product, someone to product research for you? It says it's put in hours to this. Should you guys order it on Fiverr? You guys will wait and see in today's video. So pretty exciting video for me. I want to, stick to some entertainment too. I mean, I always want to give you guys the most value on YouTube and be the guy who can actually teach you guys how to scale, making money online, and be a good YouTuber in the dropshipping space. But sometimes we got to do some entertainment too, and I'm sure you'll learn something. I just want to have a good time on this video and just basically reviewing it. So the last video's free 30-minute consulting call giveaway winner is Vivek. You can message me. My Instagram will be here. If you want to get in the dropshipping coaching program for Q4, you can also message me on Instagram here. Again, just a quick spoiler, someone made 200k the first month. It's been huge success. You want to get in, you can get in now. So I'll show you guys the first product, I'll show you the description, I'll show you everything. Okay, so let's get inside of my computer. What did I just do? I flipped my camera upside down. Okay guys, so we're on Fiverr, and yeah, I gotta say we got what we ordered. I think you did a decent job at least at delivering the products, but are they winning products? I don't know, I haven't checked all of them, so let's start with it. So he says no, I'll find Shopify dropshipping winning products with video ads. So the video ads I actually checked out earlier, 10 Shopify. So there are 3 different plans here. It's basic, that's 5 products, and then it's 10 products and 20. I don't think there's too much of a difference here, but the standard one is what I went for. The $10 one, it's 8 euros, but it's $10. So that's 10 products. It says hours research. I'm sure you just give it away to everyone though. Pricing research, competition research. So to be honest, I'm gonna give you guys one spoiler. I definitely don't think he researched the competition. Also, I had to make my webcam a little bit small here just so you guys can see the whole article, whatever you want to call it, about the gig. I don't want to read too much about it. Anyways though, so I was chatting with him a little bit earlier. I told him what I wanted. I'm not gonna go into the chat because then I gotta like censor his name all the time, because if not, you guys gonna go to him and say that I made a video of him. So like I said, I wanted home improvement, home and garden as the niches for the products, obviously healthcare, skincare, and I think there was one more, I don't remember exactly. So first of all, we got, I think this is the products. Let's take a look. We got like so many documents pulled up here. So this is the description for this product. I didn't even know myself, guys, so we'll have to look into this in a second. So here we got all of them. So let's start with this one first of all. Like I said, the product shouldn't be saturated when I was talking to this guy. So I'll pull it up right here. There we got the product, and it's the most saturated ever. Like if you were to search for this wristband, you will find it all over the place. So I'm like, I told you I wanted untapped products. So right now I don't really know what's going on, because I mean, I did not order saturated products. This is the first product. It's the sanitizer wristband type of thing. It's a genius product though, do not get me wrong, it's a great product, but it's definitely saturated. Yeah, here's actually the description. Oh dude, either he stole it or did he actually put in all this effort to make this money? I just exposed one of the products. But here we got it. So title wristband. Yeah, dude, he put in names here, but this is gonna be like SEO optimized. I don't think it's SEO optimized though, but fashionable wristband. I'm not gonna read all of this, but this is the description for the store. I'm actually super happy with this part, so I gotta give this guy a 10 out of 10 in terms of the description. The description is not good, don't get me wrong. I don't think this is the best description, but he's been putting in work. Nobody can deny that fact. He's been putting in work to get this stuff. That's the first one. That's the hand sanitizer. Not really feeling it, man, to be completely honest. It's just so saturated. It's totally against what I ordered. So let's look up this thing. We forgot to check the video actually for this sanitizer, so I'm gonna have to pull this thing up. Where do I even find the videos? Okay guys, you got it. I don't know why this is a WinRAR map, but here we got the first video. It's not too good, to be completely honest. There is no text in this video. I don't know why it's even lagging, but there is something completely wrong here. The video is lagging, and it came in this quality too, which is the worst thing I've seen. I don't know why it was this poor of a quality. Maybe the other ones will be better. It's the only one I've seen so far, and one size fits all. There's no, yeah, so he hasn't put any brand logos up in the corner, which I think is nice. And the video itself is pretty okay. I don't think it's a good video, but it's okay. But there's no text on it, which is like, for me, nah, I'm not feeling that, because you gotta have a text in your video. That's 100% for sure. So let's skip on to the next part here. I'm gonna pull it up right now. Hopefully this will be something good. I've checked this one out too. I checked out the 2 first ones, so the next one's gonna be surprises for me as well. Oh, Are you for real, dude? This is the most saturated thing ever. It's a great product though. I mean, it could be branded, but it's not gonna sell when it's this saturated usually. I mean, maybe in Q4, but I don't feel this. I don't think this is a good product, to be completely honest with you guys. But let's read the description on it. So the description should be right down here. Yeah, it's here. Feature. Oh, this is not good. There's not even an introduction here. So this guy definitely started slacking here. What even is this product? Yeah, this is not impressive, to be completely honest. I don't think this is too good. The description is not too good either. Let's look up one of the other products here real quick. Hopefully they will be good. I don't get why I get this error, but I think we're gonna deal with it. It's not too big of a deal. Dude, why did he even give me this? I told him I was gonna use Facebook ads as well, which is the funniest part. I asked this guy for Facebook ad tips and everything to get some content for the video. But the thing is, mask in any shape or form, no matter what it is that has anything to do with a mask, is gonna get banned on Facebook. They said it themselves. So he basically showed me a product that's gonna get my account banned. For the content, I should probably argue against that, but I'm not a rude guy, of course. This guy was nice for sure, but this is not good. It's gonna get banned instantly. Did he even bother to make a description for it? Because that would be a little bit of a waste of time when it's gonna get banned. Here's the description. It looks almost like an AliExpress description here. This is the next product, actually. Let's look it up. So you put them in order. I think that's really good. Let's see what this is. I hope we can just find one cool product on this whole document here. No, are you for real, dude? This is also the most saturated thing ever. Really? Like, it's $4,000 and this is only one supplier. Like, if you were to look for more, you would just find even more saturated. One of my guys in the coaching skill is priced like 5k in total. No, I think it was 10k in total, and then it didn't work. It was not really scalable either, so I would not recommend running this product, but it's super saturated, so it goes a little bit against the untapped products that I asked him about, and we could always look up the description for this one as well. It's not even, I can't. Okay, guys, here's the description. So, specifications, home and garden. Oh, it's in that niche. This is really weird. I don't know. I don't like this at all, but we could obviously play the video for it. We could play the video for the last one too. I forgot to show you guys the video. That was really bad, I think. The quality of this video though was good. You can see a little bit around here. It shows what this product is kind of doing. Oh, I don't get what this guy's doing. Like, I told him I was gonna do Facebook ads, and he's going to show me before and after pictures, and also at the same time he's showing me face mask type of things, which is gonna get banned. Here you guys just see the product. It's a great video, to be honest. I would like to see some people wearing it too. Oh, we got one. I would like to see more of that, and I would like to have text in it. Without text, nobody's gonna watch this video. It's gonna have a poor click-through rate, I feel like. So I don't think this one is recommended either. It's obviously super saturated too, so I think this guy's yeah, not really what I was asking him for, to be honest, but that's cool. I mean, this is an interesting product. I don't think this is something people would actually impulse buy. However, it doesn't look too saturated, which I'm scoring a thumbs up for that. Make sure to drop a like on this video and subscribe. This product is actually not too saturated, which I think is incredible, because he's only shown me saturated products earlier. But that one was not too saturated. I'm gonna try to see here if it says is winning products only. So it's kind of right, because the products are winning most of them, but I was asking for not saturated stuff, so it doesn't look like we'll find too much on it here, to be honest. But anyways, this product is kind of cool, but I don't think it has the impulse buy factor, so I don't think people are just gonna go out of their way to get it. But it's untapped though. It's pretty decent product, but I don't think it's anything I would ever sell. But I don't set my expectations too high either. But we'll pull up the next one here real quick. What even is this thing? I mean, home decor can be cool, but this is not really my style of a product. I think you guys already seen it yourself. It's not gonna be any margin in it either. Nobody will buy it for $49, and we didn't even know what the shipping is, so that was not too good. But here's the description for this water thing. The descriptions are all the same basically. What is this picture? Anyways, here is the description. Features, yeah, we obviously know. Just looking at the layout, but it's all the same over and over again. Did he even make a video for it? We'll have to see if he made a video for this product. Oh, this is actually, I'm messing around a lot. It's really hard to keep track of all this. This has text too. I think it's the ear product. Yeah, this works for your ear. It has this is a great video actually. It's pretty good. I like it. Let's go to product number 3. I didn't even show you guys. There's no point, because it's gonna get banned on Facebook anyway. So he's basically putting me in the position where I will be banned. So this is the video for this one. I think it's a pretty good video. I'm not gonna play the whole one, but this is not a bad video, to be honest. I like it. So here we go, product number 6. Oh, dude, I know someone who was scaling this product. He made I think he made up to 2k a day or something, so he did quite decently. So this is actually a winning product. However, this is nothing I would actually sell myself, but you can clearly see his work, so I have nothing against it, because the guy was talking about he was scaling it pretty successfully, and with just a couple of bans and stuff, but that's normal. But it is kind of saturated. I think there's more suppliers onto this thing as well, which is sort of the same, so I think it's a little saturated. Do I think it can work? Yeah, I think it's saturated, but I think it can work. So do we have a video for it? I'm pretty sure, because he was going to give videos for all of them. What is this video? Dude, what is this? This video is... I don't know. People not gonna wait until that girl takes the thing off. So I don't feel like it's the best one. And this is the only description I made for it, for real. No, that's probably 7. Okay, we got it here. So that's a decent description. No, it's not really, to be completely honest. It's not too good of a description. I just want to see one good product on this document, and if I'll see one, I'll be happy. What even is this thing? Honestly, I don't get what this thing does, to be honest, but it does not look too interesting to me. Pull up the video. Oh, this is what it does. Okay, actually, this is kind of unique. I don't know if it has a margin if people were to buy it for more than like $10, but I mean, I think this is actually a decent product. I'm not satisfied, but I'm like, okay. And here we got the video for this one. His videos are all over the place. They're not even in order. No, he used the AliExpress video, dude. He was gonna put in the work to find this content. I mean, he did find the content though. We already seen this video. I'm not too impressed with that though, since he just basically ripped off the AliExpress video, but that is okay. So let's pull up the next one here. No, this is also so saturated. I don't know. I don't like it, to be honest. It's way too saturated. It's a great product though. I really like this product, to be honest. This is a phenomenal product. Nothing against it whatsoever, but it is so saturated. So I'll take a look at it right now when it comes to the video. Hopefully the video will be in place as well, so it won't be like all over the place. Okay, is this the Ali video? That's the only thing I want to see. It's not even the Ali video. So here actually is research. This is great. I would like to have some text on it, maybe some other clips, maybe another person using it too, some functions. We definitely want to have some text on this video to get the click-through rate higher, to, you know, get people hooked. But the video overall is not too bad. Take a quick look at the description here. Well, I don't even know if there's a point looking at descriptions anymore, because it's all the same, and I only think I've seen one healthcare product. Pictures here are high quality though, but he just took him from AliExpress. So we got one more product here. Please be a good one. I'll tell you. If not, I will not be too satisfied. But I'll still leave in a 5-star. Clothing? Oh no. Clothing is hard. It's super hard, but it's a great product though. If you were to run this with influencers, you could definitely score money here by giving it to like girl influencers in the workout niche. I think you can actually make money. So you guys watching this video should actually get on this product and send it to an influencer and advertise it. I think this product could definitely work, but it's definitely not my style, and I don't like it, to be honest. But I think it can work for sure. Anyways, though, we can look at this thing. So the description here it's okay. I mean, it's really short, but that's fine with me. We'll have to play the videos here one more time. I mean, we haven't even played it, but let's see. I think this is actually an okay video, to be honest. Yeah, I think this video is pretty good, to be honest. I don't know if we even needed text on it. I'll probably just use this picture as the ad on Facebook. Advertise with this picture is pretty cool. But yeah, it's a decent product, but I'm not too happy with this, to be honest. So would I go for it again? Probably not. So that's gonna be it for today's video, guys. It was pretty funny doing another Fiverr video. I think, to be honest, this video is probably not my best because it was not too entertaining. It probably was a little repetitive. I'm sorry, guys, but I just wanted to try to do something funny, okay? So if you like this video, please remember to smash a like and subscribe, because I drop a lot of value on my channel. I appreciate all of you guys, and you'll see me in the next video.